Oh! Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This one is going to be a fun one. This is an electric swimming kickboard. So you got kids that like swimming. We have a river nearby. Let's see, you got some instructions here. Bit of instructions there. Charging. Looks like we got a power button here on off. Here's our plug-in. It's got like a little magnetic connection there. That's cool. And this house has like a little water gun out front. So check that out. It's got a nice little like a propeller in there. And yeah, right there. Looks like it shoots. So you kind of hold it like this. It's got a little water gun out front. So one little button does the power for the propeller, and the other one does for like the little water jet here. So we're gonna actually take this to the river, and my sons are gonna try this out. Should be a ton of fun. I'm gonna try it out too. This thing looks like a blast. They're just kind of hold on this, have little water gun fights, and like kind of cruise around in the water. Should be a blast.
Ready? That's so cool. Try to oh, she's off it. Are you guys kidding? No. Get up. Hey, hang on. Wait. Breathe! I can't breathe! What? Yeah. Hey! Ah! No, it just shoots water from the...
Oh.
This is like twice as fast, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We can probably catch that duck now.
Now go after him.
He's long gone.
I don't see it.
It's gone now.
Dude, look how fast you're going. Creating some waves.
I'll start wakeboarding. Yeah. Whee!
Going in hot. Oh no.
Are you using the motor? Yeah. I'm actually going pretty fast, but it's like it doesn't seem like I'm so far away.
Yeah.
The little duck was fast.
The little duck was gaining on you.
This is so fun.
Oh!
Dad, you're swimming.
He's cruising.
How does he do that? Is it button to push?
Yeah, little paddle on the back.
Look at him turn.
Here we can see him.
He's turning.
Oh wait. They're both just...
Oh, Joe!
shoot! Oh, they're hard to hold on to. Powerful little guys.
Yeah, if you're doing it, do one. Just do one. It's so much fun because you just kick with your feet.
Well, my friends, I highly recommend these. These things are a ton of fun. My boys and I just really enjoyed it cruising around the river with these. So whether you got a pool or a lake or a river or a pond, these things have a 4,500 milliamp hour batteries on them. So we were playing for about an hour and they're still going strong. They have an IP68 waterproof rating as well. 250 watt motors with 60 N's of thrust. They have pretty good power for sure. You can see how far the water was spraying, stuff like that. The water gun feature is really cool. The kids really like that, just having water fights and stuff like that. These things, I mean, are pretty much a must if you're going to go to the river or play in the pool now. I mean, yeah, these are just a lot of fun, and we really enjoyed them. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.
Hey! Whoa! Ew! What? It does make you float though. It does. It's like a regular paddleboard. Oh, that's it. Hey! Hey! Ah!
How fast that thing go? Dude, he's cruising. He be cruising.
Yeah, go pretty fast.
Yeah.
Ah!